Your dog loves you not because of your face. For dogs, the sight of another dog is much more exciting than the sight of a human. You may think your dog is excited at the sight of your face, but research published Monday suggests that unfortunately, she probably isn't. The study in Journal of Neuroscience shows that dogs aren't wired to focus on human faces. What makes their brains spark is the glimpse of another dog. The sight of a human? Not so much. Through MRI scans of humans and dogs watching videos of both humans and dogs, Hungarian scientists learned that while humans have a specialized brain region that lights up when a face comes into view, dogs do not. Both dogs and humans, however, do have a brain region that sparks when a member of the same species comes into view. Faces are central to human visual communication, and human brains are also specialized for faces, study co-author Attila Andix, an animal behavior researcher at Eötvös Loránd University in Budapest, said in an email. But that doesn't appear to be the case for man's best friend. They read emotions from faces and they can recognize people from the face alone, but other bodily signals seem to be similarly informative to them. Dogs do pay attention to human faces, Andix said. In other words, dogs may notice our faces, and even the expressions on them, but they use all sorts of other information, such as body language and voice cues, to tell what we are up to. Humans, on the other hand, value most what they see on a face. To see if humans and dogs processed faces the same way, Andix and his colleagues recruited 30 humans and 20 dogs who were family pets. In the experiment, each human and each dog lay in an MRI machine while shown a series of 2-second videos: a dog face, the back of a dog's head, a human face and the back of a human head. The order in which the videos were shown varied with each run. Getting a dog to lay still in a loud MRI scanner is a challenge in and of itself. They go through a several months-long training, Andix said. The dogs are taught that they cannot move during measurements, even a little. He added that the trained dogs are happy volunteers in these experiments, not forced or restrained in any way. They can leave the scanner anytime if they want. When they analyzed the brain scans, the researchers found visual areas of the human's brains lit up far more when a human face was shown compared to the back of a head. Also, human brains were more active when the video of a person played than one of a dog. When it came to the dogs, brain activity didn't change whether a face or the back of a head was viewed. When videos showed a dog, the dog's brains were more active than when videos showed a human. From an evolutionary standpoint, the study's results make sense, said Dr. Carlo Siracusa, an associate professor of clinical behavior medicine and director of the Animal Behavior Service at the University of Pennsylvania School of Veterinary Medicine. Mother Nature will not invest in something that is not relevant to survival, either in dog-to-dog or even wolf-to-wolf interactions, said Siracusa, who was not involved with the new study. Mother Nature will not invest in something that is not relevant to survival, either in dog-to-dog or even wolf-to-wolf interactions. Dogs also use chemical communication much more than humans do, he said. The scent of another dog will reveal whether that dog might be of interest. But dogs may have evolved to pay attention to human faces because they've also evolved to depend on humans, Siracusa said. They try to understand from facial expressions what humans want, he added. They try to understand from facial expressions what humans want. Dr. Catherine Hoopt also wasn't surprised by the new findings. We always look at people's faces, but dogs look at all of us, said Hoopt, a professor emeritus at the Cornell University College of Veterinary Medicine. We always look at people's faces, but dogs look at all of us. Experiments have shown that dogs will be less likely to go to a person who has demonstrated selfish behavior, such as refusing to help someone open a jar or share some cookies, said Hoopt, who was not involved with the Hungarian study. But for those feeling sad about the findings, Hoopt offered words of reassurance. Your dog loves all of you, not just your pretty face. Thank you for your watching. If you find this video is helpful to you, please share it with your family and friends. Leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. And turn on the bell, that way you don't miss every single one of our videos. So that's for today's video. See you next time.